Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Mastery with Raj. This video is part of our DevOps Beginner to Advanced series, where we are building strong concepts step by step so that you can become job ready in the DevOps. In the previous videos, we covered SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle, in detail. We also checked all the stages of the software development lifecycle and how software is developed using the SDLC. Then in the next video, we saw or we understood the DevOps concepts. What is DevOps? Why it is needed? What is the life cycle of the DevOps? What are the important tools of the DevOps? And what are the benefits of the DevOps? Now comes a very important step. How do you answer interview questions based on these concepts? Because understanding theory is one thing, but explaining it clearly in an interview is what actually gets you the job. So in today's video, I will cover important DevOps and SDLC interview questions with clear and structured answers. Exactly how you should respond in the interviews. If you are preparing for DevOps interviews or just starting your journey, this video is going to be extremely helpful. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay. So the first question is, what is SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It is a structured process used to design, develop, test, and deploy the software. This process ensures quality of the software, proper planning, cost control, and timely delivery. The main phases are requirement gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So these are the important stages in the software development lifecycle. And SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Next question is, what are the limitations of the traditional SDLC? So traditional SDLC has several limitations. First one is the slow delivery. Second one is the lack of collaboration between teams. Third limitation is late bug detection. Fourth limitation is manual deployments. And the last limitation is high failure rate in the production. So these are the challenges led to the introduction of the DevOps. Okay. Now all these concepts, what are the challenges in the SDLC? We have seen in our SDLC video, very first video of the DevOps Beginner to Advanced series. So if you have doubts, you can go back and watch that video. We have explained SDLC lifecycle in detail in the video. Okay. So next question is, what is DevOps? So DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It is a culture, practice, and set of tools that improves collaboration between the teams. Because in SDLC, all teams work separately. In the DevOps, there is a proper collaboration between the teams. So DevOps improves the collaboration. DevOps automate the processes. And it enables faster and reliable software delivery. So DevOps focuses on continuous integration and continuous deployment. Continuous integration is CI and continuous deployment is CD. Okay. So the next question is, why is DevOps needed? Answer is very simple. DevOps is needed to overcome the challenges in the SDLC. We have seen those challenges in earlier question. Because DevOps releases faster. There is a better collaboration between teams in the DevOps process, in the DevOps culture. There is a reduced manual work, early bug detection, and improved reliability. In simple terms, DevOps makes software delivery faster, better, and more efficient. And that's why DevOps is needed. So the next question is, what is DevOps lifecycle? Okay, so there are 8 stages of the DevOps lifecycle. We have seen these all stages in our previous video where we have explained DevOps in details. Okay, so DevOps lifecycle includes 8 stages. First stage is plan, then code, then build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. But this cycle is continuous, meaning feedback is always collected and improvements are ongoing. So this is the DevOps lifecycle. It's very easy to understand. If you still have doubts, please go back to our previous video for the DevOps, where we have explained what is DevOps, how DevOps work, what is DevOps lifecycle, what are the benefits, what are the tools. Okay, so go back to previous video and watch that. So the next question is, what is CI/CD? So CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, so continuous integration, developers frequently merge code into the shared repository and automated builds and tests run. Continuous deployment, code is automatically deployed to the production. This ensures faster and error-free releases. Okay, so this is CI/CD. What is the difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment? So this is the next question, and this is very important question because many people get confused with the continuous delivery and continuous deployment. So continuous delivery is where code is ready for the deployment. Manual approval is required for the deployment. So code is ready for the deployment and manual approval is required. That is continuous delivery. Continuous deployment is code is automatically deployed and no manual intervention required. So the key difference is manual approvals versus fully automated deployment. Okay, so the next question is, what are DevOps tools? So there are 1,000+ DevOps tools in the market, but there are some main tools which are widely being used in the industry. So we will see only those tools. Okay, so DevOps tools help automate different stages. We have seen these stages in an earlier question. Okay, so the first tool is GitHub. This is a version control tool. Second tool is Jenkins. This is for the CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment automation tool. Next tool is Docker. This is a containerization tool. Then Kubernetes. This is container orchestration. Then Ansible. This is for the configuration management. Then Terraform, infrastructure as a code. Prometheus, Grafana. These are for the monitoring tools. There is one more very important monitoring tool, that is Splunk. These tools support the DevOps processes. In our next video series, DevOps Beginner to Advanced, we will be watching, or we will cover all these tools in detail. There will be 15-20+ videos on each tool with the proper explanation and the hands-on experience. Okay, so please keep watching next videos and you will learn and master all these tools. So the next question is DevOps only about tools? So answer is no. DevOps is not just tool. DevOps is not just about tools. It is mainly a culture and a mindset and set of practices. Tools are used to automate and support that culture. Without collaboration and proper processes, tools alone cannot implement the DevOps. So DevOps is not only about the tools. It is a culture, a mindset, and set of practices. Tools are used to automate and support that culture. Without collaboration and proper processes, tools alone cannot implement DevOps. Okay, so the next question is, what is automation in DevOps? Automation means reducing manual work using tools. Okay. For example, automated testing or automated deployment, infrastructure provision. So what are the benefits of the automation? Faster delivery, fewer errors, and consistency. These are the benefits of the automation. Next question is, what is version control? So version control is a system that tracks changes in your code. Using tools like Git, multiple developers can work together using these tools. Also, they can make multiple changes and all the changes can be tracked using these tools. And if there is a requirement to back out that particular change, we can back out as well. So that's why version control system is very important. It is a critical part of the DevOps tool set. Okay. So the next question is, what is the role of DevOps engineer? A DevOps engineer is responsible for automating CI/CD pipelines, managing infrastructure, monitoring applications, ensuring smooth deployments, improving system reliability. They act as a bridge between the development and operation teams. That is the role of DevOps engineer. Okay. Next question. What are the benefits of the DevOps? First benefit is the faster delivery because it is automated. Every stage is automated using the tools. So there is a faster delivery. Improved collaboration because all teams are working together as a single team. So there is a proper communication. So improved collaboration. Reduced failures because we have automated the testing as well. So bugs will be detected in the initial phase only. So there are less failure in the production. Better quality, continuous feedback, high customer satisfaction. These are the benefits of the DevOps. Okay. Next question is difference between SDLC and DevOps. So SDLC is a sequential process. SDLC stands for software development lifecycle. So SDLC is a sequential process. Separate teams. There is a separate development team. There is a testing team. There is a operation team. Okay. And because of that, deliveries are slower. Whereas the DevOps is a continuous process. Collaborative teams, they work together. All the teams work together in DevOps. So because of that, faster and automated delivery. So in short, DevOps is an evolution of the SDLC. Okay. So these are the questions we have seen today. Now you are ready to answer basic DevOps interview questions confidently. If you understand these 14 questions clearly, you can crack beginner level interviews easily. In the next video, we will start Linux for DevOps with hands-on practice. So make sure you like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to the Tech Master with Raj, and keep watching our next videos. Okay. See you in the next video. Thank you.